Thank you for spending the time and checking out what LendEthics has to offer. And basically, we just want to give you an update on what's happening and the significant changes for first-time home buyers. Please check us out at lendethics.com. Basically, the big change is Housing and Economic Recovery Act 2008 was signed by the President. And what this means to you as a first-time home buyer is the great news is now that there's a $7,500 tax credit available to you. It's paid back over a 15-year span at $500 per year. The big change, maybe on the negative side for you as a home buyer, is the fact that they're doing away with down payment assistance. And if you're looking to buy a home with very little of your own money down and you were hoping that the seller or any other interested third party could help with the down payment, you better hurry up and act before October 1st because that is scheduled to go away. The big questions that people are asking now is, how do you buy a house with little to no money down? And it's taking advantage of those tax credits and the down payment assistance is the way to do it. There's a lot of great loans out there, bond programs and other options, and this is the time if you want to own a home and create that American dream, this is the time to really get in there and see. It's an absolute great time to buy. Property values are really low. The mortgage rates are still at historic lows, and there's a lot of options out there for first-time home buyers. This is an excellent time to get in, buy a house for the long run, and really take advantage of this. And it's really important that you find the right loan professional and that you work with them to understand the loan that you're getting into, your financial situation, your financial goals, and really come up with a mortgage plan and not just, rate shop all over the place and not really know the type of loan that you're getting or what you really should be getting and the loan program and what's going to happen. That's going to pay for far more than saving an eighth or a quarter on the rate. So that's how you avoid foreclosures, really working with your loan professional, understanding what your options are, understanding what's out there, and taking advantage of it. When you're weighing out the options, whether you should rent or buy, you ask yourself the question, do you want to help your landlord meet their financial goals, or would you like to personally create and meet your financial goals? And there's a lot of times with property values as low as they are and interest rates as low as they are that you could buy a property for the same as you're paying in rent. There's tax advantages. You got to speak to your mortgage or your tax professional, of course, but the possibilities of being able to write off your mortgage interest, your mortgage insurance, your property taxes. There's a lot of benefits of home ownership, plus the overall goal of just owning the house and the equity build, even in a conservative market. So this is absolutely the time to weigh out those options, meet with a loan professional that can show you a rent versus own analysis, give you an idea of exactly what's available and how it's going to work. So I urge you to check out lendethics.com. We're your only source for approved loan professionals. And when I say approved, our loan professionals go through a rigorous process. We verify their license and if any education certifications that they have. They go through a criminal background check. We have a zero tolerance policy in place that we can remove them from our network at any time. We have a rating and review system, so before you make a decision on who's going to handle your mortgage needs, you can review the ratings and reviews of previous consumers that have worked with those mortgage professionals. So check us out, lendethics.com. Thanks so much for checking out our video.